I've been riding on a daydream.
Good morning, YouTube. Guess what day it is?
Number 8.
It's day 8, and it's time for us to go home. We had some rain that come through last night, but it wasn't real bad. But you seen how we woke up this morning, that little clip at the beginning? Yeah, we found the negative to being so close to the trash cans. At some point, it's got to be trash pickup day. And they were over there dumping can after can after can, starting at about 6 in the morning. So, anyways, we're going to pack up. As you've seen, we put the awning away last night and the chairs because we knew the rain was going to come. We didn't want to put everything away wet. And, yeah, we're going to head home. I don't think there's going to be much of an event on the way home, but, yeah, that'll be nice. We got to empty tanks, though. Good thing we got full hookups. We don't have to go anywhere. So let me do the deed and get rolling here. All right, goodbye East Harbor. We're on our way. Everything went uneventful. Looks like we'll be home around noon. Looks like we may hit some rain, but nothing like we came through Chicago. So we'll keep the camera handy, but I don't think anything much is going to happen. Hopefully, as far as viewing pleasure, it'd be nice if something happened for you guys, but I think it's going to be pretty uneventful. So we'll pick this up whenever we need to talk to you guys again.
Exit right to exit 145, State Route 57, Parade, new area.
Look where we're at. We're back home.
We made it safely home.
Well, we almost didn't make it safely home. I don't know if I've got a clip of that. I'll put it in. I'll put it in here if we got it. Straight for a camper. Are you kidding me? So you saw what the hell went on. That lady had a chance to pass me like 3 or 4 times in big double lane zones, and she didn't want to, but all of a sudden she decided to do that. I don't know what the lady was thinking, but a couple things of note. Our son's van had to be towed home yesterday because he said he had something going on with the transmission. Or no, that was 2 days ago. So he's been driving Heidi's car. And it looks like there might be rain, so I might have to get this shuffled around relatively quick in its spot before the rain soaks the ground and gets me stuck somewhere. And the other thing is, I haven't seen our yard this tall.
Or this green.
Or this green, yeah. It's really green, but I haven't seen the grass this tall in a long time. So we're back home. Nothing exciting. A lot of construction. And that's it. So we're closing this out. This is the end of our Wisconsin trip, which was a great thing. As far as gas mileage, I noticed that if I run 70 to 72 miles an hour, I do about 7 to 7.5 miles per gallon. If I can run 64 miles an hour to 60 to 64, much better. Definitely 9 and touching 10 in a couple spots, checking our mileage as we went along, because I would refill the rear tank every chance I got, basically, or every chance we pulled over. So it was a good trip. It was a lot of fun, and hopefully we can hook up with everybody that we met up in Wisconsin again, and maybe some others. So as always,
Hope to see you out there.
bye.
Bye.